Hey guys, Flippin' Landlord Ninja here with Two Guys Take on Real Estate.
Two guys take on real estate.
So I'm actually out here in Springfield, Massachusetts, and one of our properties that we bought after a big tornado that happened in 2011. Here we go, it's in the background, beautiful building. So we did actually a full renovation on this building. And we actually were able to do something, which is what I want to talk about today, is finding government grants for different things. So this one was a unique property that we were actually able to find government grants for a solar hot water system that they put up on the roof. We were then able to also get them to fund a whole brand new high efficient heating system, as well as the hot water system, so it kind of tied in with the solar. And we also got them to get us triple pane windows installed throughout the building. I mean, they cover the material costs on triple pane windows. We actually have to cover the labor costs. But you know, that is something really that you should be mindful of, and try to find out the different programs that are available to you in different communities that you can access, so that you can actually use funds from the government to help repair these buildings. So what I did to find actually some of these grants was I actually went and talked to the local building department. I talked to the Office of Housing and see if they knew of anything that was going on and that was available to us. Also, talking to your electric company and gas company, there's often different incentives for them to switch over to energy efficient type systems, like the solar system here, that they're incentivized by the government to get those, to reduce their numbers and use green energy so that they can meet certain quotas. This is actually the boiler we had installed, which is amazing. Love the stuff. So I would, take your time, talk to everyone at the Office of Housing. Also checking, just using Google. You can often find different programs on Google. I think there's grants.gov, all those different websites that you'll be able to find a lot of programs that are available to you, and different, maybe if your property is in a certain zone, or if there's been impacted by something. There's a lot of different ways you can use the internet to your advantage to find all these programs. And yes, it does take a little bit of time, and there's a lot of paperwork. I'll tell you right now, a lot of paperwork, red tape that you might have to go through. But I mean, just kind of give you an example, this hot water system normally would have cost about $100,000. The heating system here would have been at least another $100,000. The windows, just the material alone cost was, I think it was around $70,000. All that was free. I mean, literally free. Yes, I had to spend maybe, 40 hours total to doing through paperwork and following up and calling everyone, being the squeaky wheel, so I get the grease, so to speak, with these programs. But it fully paid out, and if you look at the return on investment, it was a great return on investment. So I would really recommend taking the time to spend the time on these type of things for your large buildings, small buildings, and it's going to really work out in your best interest. Thanks so much, guys, for joining us here. Please hit that subscribe button, tell all of your friends, share a video so they can also learn from this, and hit that notification so that you actually get notified when we post new videos. So thanks a lot, guys. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.